We are now going to add slicers. Slicers or filters help us filter the data to what we want to see. So in order to add a slicer, you need to click on the slicer visual. And then you need to put it where you want it to be. And now we can add a field. So in order to add a field, what we can do is we can look for the field in question, and specifically for dates, we can add a date slicer that is a slider and looks like this, which allows you to specify a date period, like so. When you want to clear the filter, you click on the little eraser button. But this can also be just a before or just an after. And you can also have a relative date, which will allow you to select whether you want just the last year, for instance, or the last 3 years, or even just the last 3 days. You can also have this year, and it's only looking at this particular year that we are in, or you can have the next years or days or weeks. The most common though is the between. When it comes to adding any other kind of slicers, specifically for text fields, what we can do is we can add an agent, for instance. And now we can see here all of the agents that we have. Now this can also be formatted to look like a drop-down. And now you can select the agent from there. So a different kind of slicer is called a horizontal slicer. And what this does, and we can also use agent here, using the list option, we can go to general and we can switch the orientation from vertical to horizontal, essentially making like little buttons. Yes, and again you can clear the filter by clicking on the little eraser. And that's how you add slicers.